ticket for 60 pesos each
We bought two
for
monkeys.
Tarsier. We are now in the Tarsier place.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm holding. There we go. Picture with my brother.
Okay, I want to take a video of you too.
No.
Go. Same face. Okay, come on. Video eh. Maliwanag naman eh. Oh! Okay. Okay. Gagaya din siya. Gagaya din siya. Okay, let's go. I love Bohol. I love Bohol. Bohol. Okay lang yan, dahay. Tatabi talaga siya sa akin. Do you still love me?
Of course I do.
I thought you loved the Tarsier. Not
My
me.
brother.
Okay. Okay. So let's go. So we have to start walking, going to the Tarsier to meet my brothers and sisters.
My brother and sister.
And yeah. I don't know why they were sleeping. Is that the Tarsier? Yeah, guys, that's the Tarsier. It's very small. Another Tarsier. She's sleeping underneath the leaves of the trees. Yeah, that's it, guys. It's just really hard to take a picture or video of the Tarsier because they are sleeping and hiding from the leaves of the trees, and that is the Tarsier. They are sleeping on the daytime and awake during nighttime, so they are a night owl. So that's the parts of the Tarsier place in Bohol. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like the video, and those who didn't subscribe yet, so please subscribe to my channel for more adventure, travel, reviews, different kind of videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.